sure this is the way. You hear those wolves? That means we're getting very close to the castle.
Look, enough is enough. We have to turn back.
Stop! That's it. There it is. That's the tree. I'm sure of it. It was downed by lightning at the time, but now it's resumed an upright position through some sort of magic or other.
Do you really want to marry into this family?
So that means that the castle is that? No. It's that way. Definitely that way.
I am done playing this game of yours. Where is Belle?
The beast took her, and she...
There are no such things as beasts, or talking teacups, or magic. But there are wolves, frostbite, and starvation.
Deep breaths, Gaston. Deep breaths.
So why don't we just turn around, go back to Villeneuve? I'm sure Belle is at home cooking up a lovely dinner.
If you think I've made all this up, then why did you offer to help?
Because I want to marry your daughter. Now, let's go home.
Belle is not at home. She is with the...
You say beast one more time, I will feed you to the wolves!
Don't stop it! Breathe. Think happy thoughts. Go back to the war. Blood, explosions, countless widows.
Widows?
Yes. That's it. That's it.
Maurice! Please forgive me, old bean. That's no way to talk to my future father-in-law now, is it?
Future father-in-law. You will never marry my daughter.
I saw that coming.
If Maurice won't give me his blessing, then he is in my way. Once the wolves have finished with him, Belle will have no one to take care of her but me.
For the sake of exhausting all of our options, do we maybe want to consider a slightly less gruesome alternative?
Are you coming?